Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kim with WorkHardTravel.com, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Samsung UR55 series 28-inch IPS 4K UHD monitor. All right, let's see what we have here. Monitor is straight to it. I just returned a LG monitor that B&H Photo said had picture by picture, and it does not. So this is the reason I got this one. All right, so once I took the monitor out, wanted to use both hands for that. It was a little heavy. Under everything you have the power adapter as well as the clip, and also an HDMI cable. Here is the stand, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna put this together really quickly. Putting the stand together is a lot easier than I thought, that I expected. You placed this into here, and you turn it over and screw it. Making sure it's tight. On the back, we have two HDMI in, one headphone jack, DisplayPort in, and one port for the outlet. The HDMI cables were a little tough to get in there. It wasn't as simple as if it was kind of right here, so you have to kind of angle it. So before I even turned it around, I went ahead and put in the HDMI. The cord that comes with it is not that long either. All right, I just turned on the monitor. All right, so it's going through its different ports, recognizing the ports. Here is the setup guide. Current resolution in 1920 by 1080. I might leave it there because of my PCs. I know at least one of them only can get 1920. So this is computer 1. It is a old HP computer. And the computer 2 is a Lenovo. Excuse, they both need to be cleaned. So these are the different options. I've turned on picture by picture. Screen size, sound source, screen ratio. Gonna change this to HDMI 1 and apply. If it's off, it just picks up 1. This computer is a more up-to-date computer, and it can get the full resolution. Go left to go back on the All right, so here are both my computers on the screen at the same time. I can't tell you how many different things I've looked up where I saw LG does it and it doesn't truly do it. So this was the easiest setup. Took me less than 10 minutes, if that. I just need to figure out how to be able to use the keyboard on both laptops.